Hello dear students. So in this lecture we are going to see detection of calcium and magnesium from the paste powder by complex symmetric titration. Okay, so this is there in your practical analytical chemistry. So as we know that talcum powder mainly contains some magnesium in the form of hydrated magnesium silicate along with zinc oxide, boric acid, calcium carbonate and other components. The content varies from sample to sample or powder to powder, brand to brand. Calcium magnesium can be estimated by complex symmetrically by using EDTA as a titrant. So traces of other metal which may interfere in the analysis are reduced to the lower oxidation state by addition of hydroxylamine hydrochloride. So while analyzing calcium magnesium, we are using this reagent um, which removes the interference of other trace element during the analysis of calcium and magnesium. So EDTA forms a stable complex with most of the metals, as we know, but here at the suitable pH and using a proper buffer, it combined with the calcium and magnesium only. So when a metallochromic indicator like erythrom black indicator is used for the detection of calcium, okay, and pattern reader indicator is used for the detection of magnesium. Okay, so here we are taking for the calcium reading will be noted as a XML, for magnesium reading will be noted as the YML, and the difference between two will give the amount of magnesium from the talcum powder. So how the sample is prepared over here? See, a sample of talcum powder about 1 or 1.5 gram is taken in a beaker and treated with 10 ml of air grade HCl. The mixture is heated on sand bath for 10 to 15 minutes. Then 10 ml of water is added and the solution is boiled for 5 minutes with the constant stirring. The solution is then filtered through the Wattmann filter paper number 42 in a 100 ml volumetric flask along with the distilled water. Okay, so on cooling, it is diluted to the 100 ml. Then we are going to prepare 0.02 molar EDTA solution. This is the process by which we can prepare it. So easier. So now estimation of calcium and magnesium. What we are going to do? We are going to take a 10 ml from the above 100 ml solution. Okay, so in that we are going to add 5 ml of buffer solution to maintain pH 10, then 3 to 4 of erythrom bacteria indicator, and we are going to titrate this solution against the EDTA which is filled in the burette, and we are going to record the reading as a XML for the calcium. Okay. After that, we are again going to take a 10 ml of talcum powder solution, which is obtained from the filtrate. Then we are going to add 5 ml of 8 molar KOH and a pinch of hydroxylamine hydrochloride. So we are adding 3 to 4 drops of pattern reader indicator to it. And then we are going to titrate this solution against EDTA, which is filled in the burette. We are going to note that as a YML. So in the calculation, as we know that 1000 ml of 1 molar EDTA contains 40 gram of calcium, and 1000 ml 1 molar EDTA contains 24 gram of magnesium. Okay, so accordingly we can do the calculation. That calculations are given there in the practical book, and from which we can find out the amount of calcium and magnesium from the talcum powder. Okay, so the talcum powder is over. Now we are going to proceed towards the lipstick. We are going to proceed towards the lipstick. Okay, so it is a product which is applied over the lips for the color, the texture, and protection to the lips. It contains oil, wax, pigment, and emollients. Okay, so it is invented by Sumerians around 5,000 years ago. Around 5,000 years ago. So